Own a piece of rock history. The Traveling Wilburys collection. Are you a fan of legendary musicians like George Harrison, Bob Dylan, Tom Petty, Roy Orbison, and Jeff Lynne? Then prepare to be transported back to the golden age of rock with the Traveling Wilburys collection. This isn't just music. It's a journey through iconic collaborations, unforgettable melodies, and a sound that defined a generation. This incredible package includes both Traveling Wilburys Volume 1 and Volume 3, offering a comprehensive listening experience brimming with classic tracks like Handle with Care, Last Night, and She's My Baby. But that's not all. You also get a bonus DVD delving into the history of the supergroup, giving you an inside look at the magic behind the music. This is the ultimate collector's item for any true music aficionado. Don't miss out on the chance to own this legendary piece of rock history. Visit our product page today and add the Traveling Wilburys collection to your music library. Click here. Insert product page link here.